Turn to Allah. Welcome to our channel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, "And whoever volunteers good, then indeed Allah is appreciative and knowing." Today I'm going to tell you that besides zakat, which is obligatory for the one having enough wealth, there is another term which is used by Muslims in order to spread the message of Islam, love and peace. And that term is Sadaqah. Sadaqah is not considered as zakat, but it is another act of giving others either its wealth, respect, love, happiness, or a kind of simple acts which prove to be the acts of goodness and kindness for others, either you know them or not. So, I'm going to tell you about certain types of sadaqah which you can so easily perform in order to spread peace, love, and happiness. So the first type of sadaqah that you can perform is any kind of act of goodness or kindness. Yes, doing any kind of act of goodness like watering plants, planting trees, or any other kinds of act of goodness which you can do without even any burden. Second type of sadaqah that you can perform easily is zikr or remembrance of Allah. Third type of sadaqah is smiling in front of other Muslims. Yes, only giving a smile to other Muslims is also an act of goodness and so considered as sadaqah. Fourth type of sadaqah is embracing righteousness and preventing wickedness. It simply means by increasing the amount of righteousness in your lives, which will automatically decrease the amount of wickedness. And the fifth type of sadaqah is guiding other person. Yes, by guiding and mentoring any person who may need your help is also an act considered as sadaqah. And the sixth type of sadaqah is just by pouring water for other person to drink. Yes, it is obvious when you will pour some water for another person having thirst, then it will definitely give him relief. So it is considered as a type of sadaqah too. Seventh type of sadaqah is eliminating harmful objects from passageway, because that harmful object may cause a huge accident too. So, last but not the least type of sadaqah is helping a blind human being. It's an act of massive goodness and morality. So I hope that you all will try your best to add all these types of sadaqah in your daily life in order to get close to Allah by these certain acts of goodness. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel to get close to Allah.